So we made this rule where when we get to half a tank, we start looking for cheap fuel. Most of them have been like 16 krona a litre, which is quite expensive. It's like $3.20 Australian. So we found some for 14 krona. We're just filling up now. Necesita el baño.
So the only downside of like stealth camping is toilets. It's literally belting down, eh? So that's the waterfall that we are hoping to wait till it gets less watery, less rainy. So it's guster, eh?
Off we go.
So there's the trail there. We're just heading down.
So because it rained so much yesterday, literally everything's soaking wet. Check this out.